In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted Instagram chat. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you've deleted a DM conversation and you want it back, what you're going to want to do is open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. From here, tap the three lines up in the top right and select Meta Account Center up at the very top. Scroll down on here and you're going to see a Your Information and Permissions tab right here. Go ahead and select this and then tap Download Your Information or Export Your Information up at the very top. From here, it may ask you to log into your Instagram account, so do that if prompted. Choose whatever account and hit Create Export. And after doing so, hit Export to Device and choose specifically the messages. So you can scroll down to customize this information, uncheck everything, and then scroll down until you see messages. Check that and then hit Save. And then from here, all you have to do is just verify that your email up at the very top is correct, hit save again, and hit start export. Now, Instagram is going to send you an email with all of your information for those messages. It's going to include, deleted chats, message history, media shared in conversations, as well as search history. Just keep in mind this download is not going to be instant. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours, depending on your account size. As soon as you download the file, you'll be able to view your deleted conversations inside the data archive. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.